Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. This time we're gonna check up on gearbox oil. Some time ago I changed the gearbox oil on this car. But in the book it says it's 10 liters or 10 plus something. I managed to drain out 3 with something or 4, I don't remember anymore. But as I have driven like 500 miles or even more, I don't remember how many, but I've driven quite a lot. I wanna drain the gearbox and check what kind of state is the fluid in and put in the new fluid. And I wanna see if it's less darker than previously. And I might have a suspicious feeling that to fully change the gearbox oil, you need to do it 3 times. Like you change it once, drive some kind of 500,000 miles and change it again. So it fully changes out and the fluid fully changes. Let's check it out. The car is already lifted up. The car is already up. The car is level. I already undid the plugs. And I want to say right away, this is the only light I have now. The long light broke. It was, somebody used it and water got there where are the contacts. And this is what happened to it. Yeah, it's not savable anymore. So right now I'm gonna drain the gearbox oil in these so we can check how much we have. What we have and how much we have. The drain plug is removed too, by the way. So this is what I drained, and this is the second time, remember. This is the second time I'm draining. This is the new one from the bottle. Yeah, let's say that way. You will need to do it 3 or 4 times to get this to this color. That's not good, that's not really good. That goes in the bin. Now let's fill this up. Everything is tightened up, I put the belly pan on, everything is done. How to do it? Look back in the first video. So the first video, the gearbox oil change with this gearbox oil change. Go back and watch that, how to do it step by step. This is a part 2 where we double check, and yes, I was correct. We need to do this like 3 or 4 times to get this fluid looking how it was here, new, fresh. As you can see, second change is still bad. This is the second one. After some time or some miles, I'll do another one and then I'll film another fast one for you. That's all. See you in the next one. Bye bye.